Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 7, the Distributive Property. I know in a previous lesson, I kind of went over this and I said 6th grade stuff, but it looks like it was only a couple lessons away. I taught 6th grade last year, so I knew it was 6th grade. So you'll be retaught this again next year. But anyways, we're on page 119, and what we're going to do is this distributive property. You can rewrite this as 3 parentheses 5 plus 2. There's a good chance I may be writing it this way. Whenever you have a number right next to a parenthesis, like here, that always means to multiply. So this multiplication symbol is not needed, but you can also put it there to help you remember. But anyways, the way this works is we're going to distribute the 3 amongst the 5 and the 2. So it's going to be 3 times 5 plus 3 times 2. So example 1, it says, for a field trip, 42 students each paid $3 for transportation. Use mental math and the distributive property to find out how much money was collected altogether. So here we're using the area model. So the 40, we're going to split the 42, we're going to split that between 40 plus 2. So when we rewrite this, we're going to do 3 times 42 equals 3 times 40 plus 2, because we know 40 plus 2 is 42. So we're going to distribute the 3, so now it's 3 times 40. And then that's in parentheses plus 3 times 2. And that's in parentheses. And for those of us that know the order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P is for parentheses. In parentheses, we always do first. And if you don't know the order of operations, I'm pretty sure that will be taught in a future lesson. So 3 times 40 is going to equal 120. Plus 3 times 2, which equals 6. So we have the final answer of 126. So $126 was collected for the field trip. So the distributive property, that's very similar to lesson 6. How we're pretty much doing the same thing, except for instead of using the area model, we use this right here. So I'm going to put Alright, so we're going to look at example 2. Find 7 times 26 mentally using the distributive property. Show the steps that you used. So we're going to rewrite 26 as 20 plus 6. So the 26 is 20 plus 6. And then we're going to distribute the 7. So we have 7 times 20, parentheses, plus 7 times 6, parentheses. 7 times 20 is going to be 140. 7 times 6 is 42. So after we add those together, we get the final answer of 182. So the guided practice, go ahead and try the guided practice and pause the video and then check your answers with mine. Alright, so after we did this, for number 1, I got 90. Number 2, I got 42. So 18 is going to be split up between 10 plus 8. And 21 is going to be split up by 20 plus 1. And then we distribute the other factors and add up the sums. So that is the end of the video. So thank you for watching.